In this video, you will learn how to install Ubuntu on VirtualBox. First, download VirtualBox for Windows Host from the VirtualBox website. And install it. Now go to Ubuntu.com and hover over Get Ubuntu and click Ubuntu Desktop. You can download LTS version, which stands for long-term support, or the latest version. Installation process is exactly the same for both versions. Here I downloaded the Ubuntu latest version. Now to add the Ubuntu ISO file, open VirtualBox, press New, name it. Now to select the ISO image, select Other, then select the downloaded ISO file. Then in Type select Linux, and version Ubuntu 64-bit. Give resources, usually around 40% max of your total resources. I have 16 GB of RAM and 8 CPU cores. I provided VirtualBox 6 GB and 2 CPU cores, which is well enough for operating system like Ubuntu. Then select Finish. Your Ubuntu virtual machine will now open automatically. Then select Try or Install Ubuntu. It will launch the setup. Select your language and press Next. Now select Install Ubuntu and click Next. Select your keyboard layout and click Next. Then again Next. If there is any update to the OS, it will show here. You can update it, or you can continue the setup by pressing Skip. Select default installation or full installation as per your need, but in most cases, default installation is well enough for a user. Select Erase Disk and install Ubuntu. Don't worry, this will not affect your main storage. Press Next. And then next select your region. Then after that, put your username and password and hit Next. The theme, and then press Next. Wait for it to install. After Ubuntu is installed, it will restart. Type that password and hit enter. Congratulations, your Ubuntu is installed. Everything is working perfectly. You can browse and install the desired applications. It will be directly installed. No need to install it via command line. Now, if you want to enable full screen mode for immersive experience, go to Devices and click on Insert Guest Edition's CD image. A CD icon will emerge on your left of your Ubuntu screen. Double-click on it. Then a folder will be open. On an empty area of a folder, right-click and select Open Terminal here. Type ls on terminal and enter. Contents of the folders will be listed. Copy the .run file name. Type sudo space dot backslash and paste the copied text. And hit enter again. Let the process complete. After it's finished, restart your Ubuntu. A FITA rebooting, go to View and select Full Screen Mode. Thank you for watching.